Welcome to Nundakshi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a baguette bread for you. Let's get started. Flour, sugar, salt, active yeast, water, let it rest for 40 minutes. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Let it rest until doubled in size. Bake for 20 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh bread. Thank you for watching and happy baking.